problem I had was I kept breaking off my rear shocks.
Ever since Jeep came out with the JKs, on the Dana 44s, they put the shock brackets down real low. It's a big hang-up point and becomes an obstacle when we're rock crawling. So we got some heavy-duty brackets. We are going to keep her on the trail with no more shock issues. Now this is the heavy-duty reinforcement bracket that we're going to be replacing. This goes on the axle and replaces the factory 3/16 shock bracket. I just need to clamp it down, and then I want to prep the other side, basically get it all put together. So it uses one factory bolt for the sway bar link. Once it's in there, I'm going to clamp it down, plug weld all these holes, which is why I like this design, and then weld the outside to the factory bracket